Hello and welcome to Adventures with Mike and Eva. This video is a little different than what we would normally do. Of course, we would normally put out a traveling video, something on a bicycle. I like using a drone and scenic drives and things like that. What we're doing with this video is just explaining or letting people know our journey and how it is starting out. Want to show people what we're doing on the YouTube channel, our statistics, and our goals of the channel. So really, this is our very first full month of doing the YouTube channel. And I've got the statistics to pull up here after I'm done with this part of the video. But I want to talk about maybe what some of the surprises that we had on our videos, some of the downfalls, some of the pluses, and really want to go over what we're doing month to month. And so I want to make this portion of our journey a monthly thing. We'll be coming back in August and September and October and giving updates on our channel. We have some, I think, reasonable success. Of course, some people do a lot better and people do a lot worse. So I'll point that out a little bit later. We hope that people are enjoying what they're seeing. Our goal is to continually get better and, maybe even explain, who we are. We're two people that are getting ready to retire. My wife is at a point where she's maybe going to call quits for her career as a nurse. And I've been in real estate for a number of years. And before that, I was in RV sales. And I'm getting at a point where I want to go out and enjoy life and go see some of the things that we have seen in the past. And we just want to do more of it. We want to end our lives looking back and saying, boy, that was fun. So that's the whole purpose of the channel. And we're hoping that this channel can help provide some of that income that is needed to do some of those things. We don't need the channel to survive by any means, but at the end of the day, I was inspired by the other channels that were out there that basically talking about retired life and how they opened up their YouTube channel and how they had some reasonable success where they were able to grab some different videos, put them out, and people enjoyed what they were saying. So we really hope that you enjoy what you're seeing. I'm going to go over my numbers here. If you're another fellow creator that is curious to see what a new channel is doing, you're a new channel, I really want to connect with you. That's really the goal of this particular video, is to get good feedback, not only from people that are subscribing. We definitely want the feedback, but I also want to talk to some new channel creators and talk to you about maybe different ideas and things that we can do to help each other when it comes to creating these videos. As you know, if you're doing it for any length of time at all, it takes a little bit of time to edit the videos. It's an amazing amount of time. I know that our videos are getting better. The editing is getting easier. I don't want to say it's easier, but it is. The editing is getting easier, but then I throw more on the plate to make the videos better. That's always my goal, is to just continually have better videos. So in any case, if you're a new subscriber, please or new creator, please like and subscribe. Actually, if you're a new subscriber or new to the channel, please subscribe and give us your feedback. We'd love to hear from you. It's nice to get the accolades and how people love seeing one thing or another, but we really want to hear the downside. What do you see that you don't like that maybe we can improve upon? That's going to be really important to us going forward. We want to create something that's fun. And by the way, this has just been a complete, just a lot of fun for us, going out and seeing different things. The channel gets us out of the house. We see a lot of things in Florida. We live in Florida, but we love traveling around the world, and we want to continue to do that. So at the end of the day, just give us your feedback. Here's our numbers. All right, so this is our back end of our channel. It shows what we're doing here. Basically, we had, let me throw some numbers out there real quick. 15,000 views, 376 watch time hours, 39 subscribers in the last 28 days, 46 over the last month. I started the channel, I believe, in July 16th. And so or June 16th, and now we're at July 16th. So 1 month later, we have 46 subscribers. My goal over the next month is to have 100 more subscribers, but I think I'll push it just a little bit more, and let's just say 150 subscribers by the end of next month. So the channel in and of itself, and I wanted to explain why we're doing this. We're semi-retired. We're getting ready to retire, and we certainly want to see the world. We have currently a couple vacation rentals, and we do home swaps, and so we're able to swap houses with people from around the world. So essentially, we can go out and just get a plane ticket and swap a house, and then go see a different part of the world. And we definitely want to take advantage of that. It's been something that's been pretty special. We've been to a lot of different places: Oregon, St. Lucia, Ireland. We've been up to Maine. We're definitely want to go to all these different places around the world, and want to make it more and more fun each time we go. We're hoping that the channel will help pay for some of those expenses that will have in addition to the plane tickets. We're not expecting to pay any bills or anything like that, but we are hoping the channel helps pay for maybe a plane ticket or two. We're looking for, I've seen other successes around $200 to $800 a month, and the reason why I wanted to tell people that, my subscribers, is that's what we're doing with the channel. We're just having fun with it. We hope you enjoy what we're providing. We certainly absolutely want your 100% feedback on what we could do differently. We love the encouragement. We love the hoorays when people see stuff they like. But even better is when people see something they don't like, or maybe I can make an adjustment and try to do a little better. I love seeing that. I had a gentleman, I did a Sarasota Armand Circle walk, and he had mentioned that I didn't spend any time showing the shops around the St. Armand Circle. Well, certainly that's why people go there, is they go for dining, they go to hang out at the shops. And that's what I left out of the video. I did a walk all the way around, and I didn't even really show inside of any shops. So what a great suggestion. So I really do appreciate that. What we are trying to do by the end of the year is be what's called monetized. You need, or not monetized. By the end of the year, we want to apply for monetization, which is you need 500 subscribers. And then to be monetized, you need over 1,000 subscribers to finally be monetized. So the goal for the end of this year is to have that subscription, and then by next June, actually be able to start receiving those dollars for making video content. We also want to start a community for different channel creators, so that we can go back and monitor and show what we're doing. But we'd also love to see what you're doing. If you're a new content creator, that's the people I want to hang out with and see how they're doing, and maybe help each other try to figure this out. Would love to see your numbers. I'm showing my numbers. I'm exposing myself, and would love to see everybody else, how they're doing, and maybe what we can do to help make the channel even better. So if you think this is something you're interested in doing, please keep an eye on what we're doing, and that's great. If you are watching my content and you see our videos, if you have any ideas, I'd love to talk to you about those ideas, and what we can do to help our channel get better. We do plan on taking another trip to Italy this September, and I'm definitely going to do it with more purpose this time. I did have an idea that I might do something like this while I was in Italy. I actually ran across another YouTuber that was retired and having some reasonable success. I think he said he was making $300 to $500 a month doing the YouTube. And I thought, what? I watched his channel. I said, I can do that too. Why not? That would be fun. And it is fun. It is actually fun to create some of these videos. It's fun to see when people enjoy it. It's fun to see when your numbers go up. So I don't know. It's just a fun thing to do, and it definitely keeps you occupied. But making a little bit of money on the way is never going to hurt anything. We do hope to encourage other people to do the same thing. So if you're interested in doing what we're doing, keep an eye on our channel. See what makes sense. If you're a creator, please comment what you see on my channel. Maybe if you have some suggestions to help me grow. My earlier videos are just terrible. I left them out there. You can see those. The newer videos, I'm absolutely trying to get better and better and better. Every time I make a video, I promise you, I'm critiquing everything that I am doing on the video. Even this one I've done 4 times now. I've redone it 4 times because I don't like the way I pronunciate some things. So I redid it, didn't like it, redid it again. I probably won't like this video either, but you know, at some point I would like to post something. But at the end of the day, you know, give me your feedback. Please subscribe. Please like. And I hope to see you in the next, or I hope you enjoy the next video that we make. And if you have any questions, just shout out, and hopefully you'll enjoy what we're creating.